Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort to do a full room tour of a one-bedroom villa with a standard view. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
Now, all the rooms here at Grand Floridian were recently updated with a soft goods refurbishment. You'll see some minor cosmetic changes around the room, but the biggest change is that the pull-out couch has been replaced with a pulled-down Murphy bed with a much nicer mattress.
Let's go check it out.
So when you first come in here, you can go over to the right to go to the bathroom area, or go straight ahead into the main part of the room. Over here to the left, we have a door that leads to the studio next door. So if you did want to book a 2-bedroom lock-off, that is an option with this particular room. They'd open that up to the studio and connect it to this one bed. We've got a piece of artwork here on the wall, really pretty, and we were able to find at least one hidden Mickey there in the artwork, so that's fun. And as we head in here into the kitchen, you can see there's lots of storage space. We've got cabinets and drawers and countertops all around the kitchen. And this is a fully stocked kitchen, as with all Disney Vacation Club villas. They've got plates and bowls, they've got silverware, they've got glasses, pretty much anything you need. They have some pots and pans all here for you. You've got a microwave. You also have a stove with an oven down below. You've got a toaster and a coffee maker, and they have upgraded the coffee maker. You have a full-size coffee maker as well as the single serve with the Keurig there, so you've got your choice of however you prefer your coffee. There's a sink in here as well as a dishwasher, and we also have a full-size fridge and freezer actually inside this cabinet over here, and it's a really good sized fridge. You have 2 sections to the freezer. The first one here is great for holding ice and also ice cream, and then the larger drawer down below, plenty of space for your groceries down there. The dining room area has a bench that wraps all the way around the corner. You saw it when we first came in. There's also a couple chairs here around that table. And that table's actually not super heavy, so if you need to pull it out so you can get in and out of the bench easier, you can do that. Up on the wall behind the table, we have some plates hanging there, and one of them has the Grand Floridian logo with Casey Jr. all the way around the outside. The other one has Timothy Mouse, and this one has Dumbo. So I'm not sure how Dumbo ties into the Mary Poppins theming. I think they're kind of switching things over, but they've got that there. And it is in the shape of a Mickey head too, with the plates. Now here in the living room area, you can actually sleep 3 people. You've got a bed over here on the right that Alyssa will pull down in just a few minutes. That's a twin size bed. That's there below the TV, and you also have a Blu-ray player here below the TV in that little cabinet, and you can check out videos from the front desk if you want to use that. There's a new rug in here with a new chair, and we've got a little table there. They've replaced the pull-out couch as well with a pulled-down Murphy bed, so still a queen-size bed, but it's a lot nicer mattress, and when Alyssa pulls that down, you'll see it's a really, really nice bed compared to a pull-out couch. Mickey and Minnie are over here on the wall with their silhouettes and their fancy clothes. We've got a lamp and a little end table over here with some drawers. There's also a couple drawers over here on this wall, but they are not nearly as large as they look. They are pretty deep, but they're very, very short. The front is a lot taller than the actual drawer is. And then over on the other side of the couch, we have one more little nightstand that has a couple drawers and a lamp on it. And then we're going to head out here to the balcony and show you the view. This again is a standard view room, but I would say it's one of the better ones. You've got a really nice resort view here, the fountain right down there. If you look over to the left, you can kind of see the monorails going by. Lots and lots of space because the balcony goes all the way from that divider there across here to the main bedroom where those sliding doors are. You've got 2 chairs out here and a small table. And now we're going to head in and check out the main bedroom. You can see as we head in here, they have a king-size bed in the main bedroom, but it is not raised up with storage underneath. It's just a traditional box spring there. And you've got a chair over here in the corner. You've got a little table and a lamp. And then down below that table, they do have one wall outlet that's not being used. So if you want to plug up your phone near the bed, you do have that one over there. And then across from the bed, we have our TV and dresser. A lot of drawers on the dresser, lots of storage space here in this room. You've got a desk over here in the corner and a piece of artwork that I personally love, this paper cutout scene with Mary Poppins and many of the other characters from the movie. Now over on the other side of the bed, we have one more little dresser nightstand that has several drawers in it. You've got the in-room phone over here, some switches for controlling all the lights in the room, and there are a couple outlets down behind that little nightstand that you can pull it out and get to those. You've got a walk-in closet here in this room with tons and tons of space. A few extra pillows and blankets up there. You've got your robes because it's a fancy resort. You've got a in-room safe over there on the wall, and then a couple luggage racks down there on the floor. And then our bathroom in here is a two-part bathroom. The first part connected to the bedroom here, you have this pocket door you can use to close it off. You've got a bathtub in here that is jetted. You can see there's little holes down in the very bottom of the bathtub. Those are the jets here, and you've got some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, little individual ones up there on that wall. Across from the tub, we have a sink in here and a lot of counter space all the way across the entire bathroom here, so lots and lots of space to spread out there. You have storage underneath as well with the shelves and the drawers. There's also a hair dryer in this half of the bathroom. As we head into the other half of the bathroom, there's another pocket door here that you can separate the two. Our toilet is in here, as well as a walk-in shower. The walk-in shower is a really good size. You can see as we come in here, lots and lots of space. There's a bench on the other side, and there's two shower heads. One is the detachable shower head on the wall, and the other one up top, the rainfall style shower head. And they have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in here on that wall. Our sink in here is a single vanity with, again, plenty of counter space and storage down below with the cabinets. We also have a makeup mirror on the wall in this bathroom. And as we leave this bathroom, you'll see some closets over on the left. The first one is actually where you're going to find your washer and dryer, because all one bedroom and larger villas have the washer dryer in room, which is great. And then next to that is a closet with some storage space. Your iron and ironing board are in here. You've got a laundry basket, and you also have a broom and dustpan hanging there. And again, more space for your luggage if you need somewhere to put that. Now as we head back over to the living room, Alyssa has pulled down those two beds for us so you can see what the space looks like with those down. The first one really doesn't make much difference because it's right there where the cabinet is. There's not usually any furniture there or anything. That's a twin size bed, and it has the children sleeping and the song that Mary Poppins sings to get them to go to sleep. And then across from this, we have that Murphy bed. You can see the coffee table has to be moved out of the way to fold it down, but the cushions for the couch itself don't have to be moved. They fold down underneath the bed automatically when you pull down on the Murphy. And then up above the bed, we have a new piece of artwork in this room. This is the bedroom of all the Banks children. They're dreaming about all the adventures they have with Mary Poppins, and they've added one little Disney detail over there on the right. You can see the picture frames arranged in a Mickey shape. And that's going to conclude our tour of this standard view one-bedroom villa here at the villas at Grand Floridian.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours across all the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.